Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car camping and why it's an awesome way to explore the great outdoors. So buckle up, grab your sense of adventure, and let's dive into the 10 amazing benefits of car camping. First up, let's talk about convenience because, honestly, car camping is the king of convenience. Car camping, though, you just toss your gear in the back, maybe fold down a seat or two, and you're ready to roll. No more wrestling with stubborn zippers or praying those poles don't snap. Think about it. Spontaneous weekend getaway? No problem. See an epic sunset and want to stay the night? Done. Car camping gives you the freedom to chase adventure without the hassle. Cooler for drinks? Check. Extra blankets for chilly nights? Check. Camping stove to whip up a gourmet meal under the stars? Triple check. Just throw everything back in the car. No need for meticulous rolling or stuffing things into tiny bags. Convenience is where car camping truly shines, making it the perfect option for adventurers who value time and simplicity. All right, let's talk comfort because let's be honest, a good night's sleep can make or break your camping trip. Forget about sleeping on the hard ground with every rock and root digging into your back. With car camping, you've got a real mattress pad, your car seats. And if you're feeling fancy, throw in an inflatable mattress or a cozy sleeping bag, and boom, you've got yourself a 5-star hotel room on wheels. Imagine this. It's pouring rain, the wind is howling, and you're snuggled up in your car, warm, dry, and completely unfazed. No more waking up to a collapsed tent or a soggy sleeping bag, just pure, unadulterated comfort, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. And the best part? You wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever adventure the day brings. Because let's face it, a good night's sleep is the foundation of an epic camping trip. Let's talk safety, because when you're out in the wilderness, peace of mind is priceless. Think about it. You're essentially sleeping in a locked metal box. Talk about a secure base camp. No need to worry about animals sniffing around your tent or creepy crawlies finding their way into your sleeping bag. You're safe and sound inside your car, with the added protection of its sturdy frame and locked doors. Plus, in remote areas, your car acts as a beacon of civilization. It's easily identifiable, providing a sense of security and a point of reference if you ever need assistance. A sudden thunderstorm? Hailstorm? No problem. Your car becomes your shelter, protecting you from whatever Mother Nature throws your way. This sense of safety allows you to truly relax and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. And car camping offers an unparalleled level of security, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to fully embrace the wilderness experience. Chapter 4. Freedom on Four Wheels. Embrace the art of the open road. Okay, let's talk about one of the most amazing things about car camping, the freedom. It's like having the open road as your personal playground. With car camping, you're not tied down to one spot. See an amazing view down a side road? Follow it. Hear about a hidden waterfall off the beaten path? Go find it. Your car becomes your trusty steed, carrying you from one adventure to the next without the hassle of breaking down camp. This flexibility means you can truly embrace spontaneity. Wake up, make a plan, and go. No need to worry about packing up a tent or sticking to a rigid itinerary. You can chase sunsets, explore hidden gems, and stumble upon unexpected adventures, all because you have the freedom to move at a moment's notice. So ditch the rigid plans, embrace the unknown, and let your car lead you to unforgettable experiences. Chapter 5. Adventure on a budget, keeping your wallet and your spirit happy. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, saving money. Because let's face it, adventures shouldn't have to break the bank. Think about it. No expensive hotel rooms, no pricey Airbnb rentals. Your accommodation is your car and it's already paid for. That means more money in your pocket for the good stuff, like epic hikes, delicious meals, and maybe even a souvenir or two. Plus, you're saving on gear. No need to invest in a fancy tent, bulky sleeping bags, or complicated cooking setups. Your car provides shelter, your seats transform into a bed, and you can cook right from your tailgate. It's all about simplicity and maximizing what you already have. Imagine all the adventures you can have with the money you save. Weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, the possibilities are endless. So ditch the expensive vacations and embrace the budget-friendly thrill of car camping. It's the perfect way to experience the great outdoors without sacrificing your hard-earned cash. With car camping, you can explore the world, create unforgettable memories, and still have money left over for that extra scoop of ice cream. Chapter 6. Unlocking the Backroads: Adventures Beyond the Beaten Path. One of the coolest things about car camping is that it unlocks a world of possibilities, literally. We're talking about accessing those remote, off-the-grid locations that most people only dream of. Forget about crowded campgrounds and tourist traps. With car camping, you can escape the masses and discover hidden gems tucked away in the wilderness. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by towering trees and pristine lakes, miles from civilization. You can explore winding dirt roads, conquer challenging trails, and discover secluded spots that few have ever laid eyes on. And the best part? You don't need a rugged off-road vehicle to access these hidden gems. So pack your sense of adventure, grab a map, or download one offline, and get ready to explore the road less traveled. Chapter 7. Weathering the Storm: Your Car, Your All-Weather Adventure Buddy. Let's be real, Mother Nature has a mind of her own, and sometimes she likes to throw a curveball or a rainstorm your way. But with car camping, you don't have to let a little bad weather ruin your adventure. Think of your car as your all-weather adventure buddy, a trusty sidekick that's always got your back and your roof when things get rough. Rain or shine, snow or sleet, you're protected from the elements inside your car's cozy cocoon. Sudden downpour? No problem. Curl up with a good book, brew some hot cocoa on your camping stove, and enjoy the symphony of raindrops drumming on your car roof. Wind howling like a banshee? Not a worry. Your car acts as a wind barrier, keeping you safe and secure while the storm rages outside. So embrace the unpredictable, pack for all seasons, and remember, adventure doesn't stop when the weather turns. It just gets a little cozier. Chapter 8. Organization is key. Transform your car into a gear garage. One of the best things about car camping is the sheer amount of storage space you have at your disposal. Seriously, it's like having a mobile gear garage. Gone are the days of cramming everything into a backpack and praying it doesn't explode. With car camping, you can bring all the essentials and maybe a few non-essentials without sacrificing comfort or sanity. Think about it. You've got your trunk, your back seats, once they're folded down, and even the floor space for all your gear, food, and adventure essentials. And the key to maximizing this space? Organization. Invest in some storage bins, packing cubes, or even just some good old-fashioned cardboard boxes to keep everything neat and tidy. Designate zones for different categories: cooking supplies, camping gear, clothes, food, so you know exactly where everything is when you need it. So channel your inner organization guru, get creative with your packing, and transform your car into a perfectly curated adventure mobile. Chapter 9. Cooking up a storm: From tailgate feasts to campfire classics. All right, let's talk food, because no camping trip is complete without some delicious meals enjoyed in the great outdoors. And the beauty of car camping is that it opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Forget about freeze-dried meals and granola bars, unless that's your thing, no judgment here. With car camping, you can bring a cooler packed with fresh ingredients, a portable stove, and all your favorite cooking essentials. It's like having a mobile kitchen at your fingertips. Imagine whipping up a gourmet breakfast burrito on your tailgate as the sun rises, or simmering a pot of chili over a crackling campfire under a star-filled sky. So get creative with your meal planning, embrace the simplicity of outdoor cooking, and savor every delicious bite of your car camping culinary adventures. Chapter 10. Finding your home on the road: From campgrounds to hidden gems. Now, let's talk about where to park your rolling adventure base camp. The beauty of car camping is that you have options, from established campgrounds to secluded spots off the beaten path. If you're looking for amenities like restrooms, picnic tables, and maybe even a shower or two, campgrounds are a great option. They offer a sense of community, designated campsites, and often have fire pits for those cozy campfire gatherings. But if you're craving solitude and a true escape into nature, dispersed camping might be more your style. This involves finding a spot on public lands like national forests or BLM land and setting up camp away from designated areas. So pack your sense of adventure, grab a map, and start exploring the endless possibilities for car camping adventures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your adventure buddies, and hit the road. There's a whole world out there waiting to be explored. one car camping adventure at a time.